Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open the Studies menu in the upper right of the chart and choose Edit Studies to begin setting indicators. Type the indicator name in the search box to find 14-period RSI, 20-period Simple Moving Average, or 9-period EMA, and add them. Use the Add button so each selected study moves into the Workspace panel, then click Apply to render on the chart and OK to close the dialog. The indicators now overlay or appear in separate lower panels for immediate review. Double-click any added study in the Edit Studies panel to open its parameter controls and customize values like length, source, and display. For example, set RSI length to 14, SMA length to 20, and EMA length to 9, then pick colors, line style, and thickness such as 2px for visibility. Choose whether a study overlays price or uses a separate lower axis, enable auto scale or custom scale, and preview changes by clicking Apply before clicking OK. Save your configured indicators by creating a study set or saving the entire workspace layout under a descriptive name so you can reopen it later. To automate monitoring, right-click the chart or open the Alerts menu to create alerts for specific indicator conditions such as RSI crossing 70 or 30, or a 9 EMA crossing a 20 SMA. Then specify sound, pop-up, or email notification. Finally, export or share the study set to reuse on other charts or with another account and confirm settings after import.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.